A day in the life at a summer house. Relax and enjoy. What is a summer house? A summer house is a place where people stay during the summer. Where is the summer house located? The summer house is by the beach. Who stays in the summer house? John and Mary stay in the summer house. What do they do in the morning? They go for a walk on the beach in the morning. What do they have for breakfast? They have fresh fruit and toast for breakfast. Do they swim in the sea? Yes, they swim in the sea every day. What activities do they do in the afternoon? They read books and play games in the afternoon. Do they have a garden at the summer house? Yes, there is a garden at the summer house. What do they grow in the garden? They grow tomatoes and herbs in the garden. Do they have a barbecue? Yes, they often have a barbecue in the evening. Who cooks the meals? John cooks the meals. What time do they have dinner? They have dinner at 7 p.m. Do they watch TV at night? No, they prefer to watch the stars at night. Is there a swimming pool at the summer house? Yes, there is a small swimming pool. Do they have guests over? Yes, they often invite friends to visit. What is their favorite activity? Their favorite activity is sailing. Do they have a boat? Yes, they have a small boat. What do they do on rainy days? They play board games and watch movies on rainy days. Do they ride bikes? Yes, they ride bikes around the area. What time do they wake up? They wake up at 6 a.m.
How much does this cost? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different color? I am looking for a shirt. Is this on sale? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? What material is this made of? Do you accept credit cards? Where is the cash register? Can I get a receipt, please? Can you help me find a jacket? Is there a discount on this item? Do you have this in medium size? Can I pay in cash? Can you show me where the shoes are? I like this dress. Is there a warranty on this product? What time do you close?
Basic English questions and answers for beginners. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat cereal and milk for breakfast. How do you go to work or school? I go to work by bus. What time do you start work or school? I start work at 9 o'clock a.m. Where is the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. Where do you work? I work at a bank. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is football. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. Where do you study? I study at Harvard University. Do you like coffee or tea? I like tea. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. Where do you usually go on vacation? I usually go to London on vacation. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. What do you like to cook? I like to cook pasta. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Emily. Where does Emily live? Emily lives in Los Angeles. Where do you work? I work at Lincoln High School. What do you like about your job? I like teaching students. What do you do on weekends? I go hiking on weekends.
Discovering the Animal Kingdom, a friendly chat between Oscar and Linda. Hi Linda, I saw you with a dog in the park yesterday. Do you like dogs?
Hello, Oscar. Yes, I love dogs. They're so friendly and loyal. Do you have any pets?
I don't have pets now, but I used to have a cat. Cats are quite independent, aren't they?
They sure are. But they can be affectionate too. What was your cat's name?
Her name was Whiskers. She loved to sit by the window and watch birds. Speaking of birds, do you like them?
I do. Birds are fascinating. I especially like parrots because they can mimic human speech. Have you ever heard a parrot talk?
Yes, once at a friend's house. It's amazing how they can copy sounds. But I find marine animals even more interesting. Like dolphins.
Dolphins are incredible. They're so intelligent and playful. I saw them during a vacation in Florida.
That sounds exciting. I've always wanted to see dolphins in the wild. Do you watch documentaries about animals?
I do, quite often. Documentaries are a great way to learn about different species and their habitats. How about you?
I watch them from time to time. They help me appreciate the diversity of animal life on our planet.
True. And it's important to understand how we can protect them. Do you think zoos are good for animals?
It's a complex issue. While some zoos contribute to conservation, I believe animals should live in their natural habitats as much as possible.
I agree. Wildlife conservation is crucial. By the way, have you ever volunteered for animal welfare activities?
Not yet, but it's something I'm interested in. Helping animals must be a rewarding experience.
Definitely. It's a way to give back to nature. Do you have a favorite animal?
I'm fascinated by elephants. They're so majestic and intelligent. What's your favorite?
I adore pandas. They're adorable and so unique. I wish to see them in their natural habitat someday.
That would be a dream come true. Learning about animals is always exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely. There's always something new to discover about the animal world.
Well, I hope we can continue this conversation another time. It's been great talking to you about animals.
Yes, let's definitely talk more. I enjoyed our chat, Oscar. Have a great day.
You too, Linda. Bye for now.
The language of love, simple English conversations, questions and answers in English.
How does Simon show his love for Barbara?
Simon gives Barbara flowers.
Where do Simon and Barbara like to spend time together?
They like to spend time at the beach in Australia.
What special date do they celebrate together?
They celebrate their anniversary.
What does Barbara do to make Simon feel special?
Barbara cooks Simon's favorite dinner.
How often do Simon and Barbara say I love you to each other?
They say I love you every day.
What hobby do Simon and Barbara enjoy together?
They enjoy hiking in the mountains of Canada.
Where did Simon and Barbara meet for the first time?
They met in a coffee shop in London.
What is Barbara's favorite gift from Simon?
Her favorite gift is a handmade bracelet.
How do Simon and Barbara relax on weekends?
They watch movies together.
What city do Simon and Barbara dream of visiting?
They dream of visiting Paris.
How do they celebrate Valentine's Day?
They write each other love letters.
What song do Simon and Barbara consider their song?
Their song is Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran.
What is Simon's favorite thing about Barbara?
Simon loves Barbara's smile.
How does Barbara make Simon laugh?
Barbara tells funny jokes.
Where do Simon and Barbara want to live in the future?
They want to live in New York.
What do they do on rainy days?
They play board games at home.
How do they start their morning?
They start with a cup of coffee together.
What book did Simon and Barbara read together?
They read The Notebook by Nicholas Sparks.
How do Simon and Barbara solve disagreements?
They talk and listen to each other.
What is their favorite memory together?
Their favorite memory is watching the sunrise in Australia.